How to install and set up Yoast SEO in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress. Yoast SEO helps in improving the SEO of your website. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Yoast SEO. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Yoast SEO plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Yoast SEO plugin is activated now. Click on the Settings option. The Yoast SEO dashboard will display the website problems and notifications and fix them accordingly. Click on the General tab. In the Configuration Wizard section, click on the Open the Configuration Wizard button. On the Yoast SEO Welcome page, click on the Configure Yoast SEO button. On the Environment page, select the current status of your website. Select the correct radio button according to your site type. Select the right radio button between company or personal for your website. On the Social Profiles page, add the relevant URLs of your social appearance. Configure the post type visibility options as per your requirements and click on the Next button. Select the correct website authors option and click the Next button. On the Google Search Console page, enter your Google authentication code and click on the Authenticate button. Type in the website name in the Website Name window. Click on your desired title separator to select it. You can sign up for the Yoast SEO newsletter by providing your name and your email address. You can view the SEO training videos on this page. Just click on the Next button. You are done with configuring general settings. Click on the Close button. Click the Features tab. Enable/disable the features as per your requirement. Enable/disable the options as per your requirement. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Your Info tab. Type in your website name and alternate website name for your website in the respective windows. Choose the correct option, either company or personal, from the drop-down window. Click the Save Changes button. Click on the Website Tools tab. Add the metacode that you received from the search engines in the respective fields. Click the Save Changes button. Click the Security tab. Configure the security settings. It is highly recommended that you leave this option disabled. Click the Save Changes button. That's it! You have successfully configured the Yoast SEO plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Yoast SEO plugin in WordPress.